If you are looking for next big real estate opportunity for yourself, then look forward for the North Bangalore. Why? Because the facts and the number speaks for the North Bangalore. Properties near International Airport in India have appreciated 12 to 15% per year in the last 5 to 6 years. And metro expansion has constantly given you 15 to 20% capital appreciation wherever the metro has come in last 4-5 years. And now North Bangalore is getting both metro expansion and airport expansion. Let me give you a reason why North Bangalore is going to be a promising investment. Blue Line Metro is getting completed by 2026 December. Unlike other metro lines, this one will become a lifeline for the city. Business travelers, IT professionals, and daily commuters will have a dependency on it. Airport expansion and business growth will play a crucial role. Terminal 3 is under construction right now and it's going to be completed by another 5 years. It will make Bangalore Airport a global hub. More flights, more business, more demand for homes and offices. Upcoming and ongoing tech parks will boost whole economy of real estate. 5 to 6 tech parks are getting completed by 2026 and 15 to 20 tech parks are getting completed by 2029. Commercial tech giants like Bagmane is coming with 49 acres of tech space in Yelahanka. Companies like Philip is already operational in Embassy Tech Hub. Infosys with 5.1 million square feet is already operational at North Gate Phase 1. And companies like Amazon is shifting their headquarters from World Trade Center to Satwa Horizon at Yelahanka. Not only this, tech parks like Purva Aero City, a 15-acre tech park, Prestige Tech Cloud is going to be completed. Hotels like Taj at Yelahanka going to be completed. Tunnel Road from Hebbal to Silk Board going to offer seamless connectivity. And you need to notice that top developers from Bangalore and Mumbai all are focusing toward North Bangalore, and big developers do not invest blindly. Whenever a reputed developer launches the project, it's based on extensive research, understanding the growth potential and future demand of the location. North Bangalore is not just growing, it's becoming the future of Bangalore. If you want to invest where the biggest growth is happening, this is your chance to invest into north part of the Bangalore.